If you live in Melbourne, you probably see these birds around everywhere you go. But did you know that one of these species has only been in Australia for around 150 years? Have a guess as to which one it is and keep watching to find out the answer.
This is the Indian mynah, also known as the common mynah. They are highly adaptable birds, which enables them to live in a variety of habitats and climates. This explains why they are widespread throughout Australia and are found right from the east of Victoria to the north of Cairns. They are most commonly found in open urban areas such as parks or grasslands. They have a brown body, a black head, and yellow legs, eyes and beak. They also have white patches on their wings, which you can see when they fly.
This is the noisy mynah. They're similar in size and shape to the Indian mynah, but have grey plumage. Like the Indian mynahs, they also have been able to adapt to live in urban environments. However, they are also found in woodlands and open forests. They have a similar distribution to Indian mynahs, however they are additionally found in South Australia and Tasmania.
Both species are often seen foraging on the ground in urban parks. Here you can see a pair of Indian mynahs foraging together. And here you can see a noisy mynah. Both are competent scavengers that will eat a variety of foods such as insects and fruits. Furthermore, noisy mynahs can sometimes be seen found in trees feeding on nectar.
Both birds are very aggressive towards other species as well as their own. These two birds are very territorial and have been linked to the decline in the abundance of other bird species. Recently, it has been suggested that noisy mynahs are more of a nuisance towards other native birds than Indian mynahs. This would then make you think that the noisy mynahs are the non-native or invasive species, wouldn't it? I mean, it's always the invasive species' fault, right?
However, in fact, the Indian mynah is the invasive species. The noisy mynah is native. The Indian mynah was brought to Australia from Asia in 1862 in order to control insects, and were even kept as pets.
It's amazing how both mynah species are so similar despite the fact that they have such different evolutionary histories. This is a clear example of convergent evolution, but not all aspects of their biology are the same. Noisy mynahs, like many species of Australian birds, are cooperative breeders, whereas Indian mynahs are monogamous for their whole life. Oh look, this one is pruning its feathers.
Wow, how interesting! A native bird is more of a pest than the pest species itself. Who would have thought?